and Pankaj Sharma, senior journalist, all here with us.
Naturally, Pankaj is covered as a journalist. BJP puts premium on people, advocating a line in a very decorum manner. और जयराम रमेश तो फिर भी ठीक है, वो तो स्टैंडिंग ऑन द फीट, वो तो उनको पहले से आदत है, दरबारी है. और अधीर रंजन चौधरी, तीनों खड़े हैं चेयर के पास बैठनी. मतलब मैं आऊं और पंकज जी मुझे बोले चेयर के ऊपर नहीं बैठना, ऐसा तो नहीं बोलेंगे. पंकज जी तो एक सभ्य व्यक्ति है. ये देखिए ना आप, ये नवाबजादे जो
पंकज जी बता ही दीजिए नाम.
नवाबजादे
बता ही दीजिए.
See, all this sophistry has no meaning. I mean, you should basically discuss the issue. Why there is a situation when the leader of opposition has to go to the police station and plead there that please file an FIR, because police was not ready even to give investigation tracking number initially. So now you don't have any respect for the LOP. There was a time when there used to be some respect for the LOP, but now there is a situation in this regime. They want opposition-free India. No opposition. So there is an attitude of contempt against the opposition, the entire opposition, and their leadership.
And
that is why.
My basic question is, if the FIR has been lodged now, after 7 hours, why wasn't it lodged earlier?
Yes.
Because ये किसका आइडिया था? राहुल गांधी का था, प्रियंका गांधी का था, किसका आइडिया था?
See, how can I say that? But it was Congress party's idea. And more than Rahul Gandhi's victory, it is actually government's defeat. Because Delhi police was not lodging the FIR, obviously, on the instructions of the PMO or Ministry of Home Affairs. And now they had to do it. They had to lodge the FIR. So it's a clear-cut defeat of the government.
Defeat of the government, Shehzad?
तो एक बार कम से कम चलो पंकज जी ने ये हार किसकी हुई, जीत उसकी हुई, तो ये सब एनालाइज किया. पंकज जी 30-40 वर्ष से खुद पत्रकार है. पंकज का मतलब है कमल. तो मुझे बताइए कि पंकज जी, कमल आपके मन में है, इंडिक मानसिकता भी आपके नाम में झलकती है, तो बताइए ना, वंदे मातरम से डाइवर्ट करने के लिए ना. क्योंकि जिस प्रकार से वी सॉ द वीडियो, वो आपने देखा 15 अगस्त को सब खड़े थे, सेवा दल खड़ा था, सेवा दल में भी रहे पंकज जी, तो उनका स्टॉप हुआ और स्टॉप को चेयर बोलने लगे. और फिर अगर कुछ डाउट बाकी था तो CWC की मीटिंग में बता दिया कि 1937 रेजोल्यूशन विल बी फॉलोड, नॉट द पार्लियामेंट्री रेजोल्यूशन, दैट द फुल वंदे मातरम शुड बी संग. तो आफ्टर दैट व्हाट इज लेफ्ट टू इमेजिनेशन?
In fact, very interesting thing, since we're talking about Vande Mataram now, 15th of August, there was that little bit of altercation that happened at Congress headquarters.
Little bit of altercation.
Okay, that altercation happened at Congress headquarters. Kerala, they did not sing it at all. But there were others sung in entirety. In Telangana, it was sung in its entirety. Karnataka, even in Jharkhand, where they are in alliance. So makes one answer, is the Congress shooting itself in the foot? You open yourself up to this criticism, right? It should
be sung in entirety in state's formal functions. But, otherwise, privately, you can sing 2 stanzas. The act says that it should be sung in its entirety, all 6 stanzas, in formal state functions.
Congress's function is not formal function.
No, state function.
State function.
No, 1 second.
Government's
Congress
function.
Party.
But in Kerala,
it was not.
They did away with it altogether. Why?
Fine, if they want to do it, they can do it.
No, they can. My question is, politically, how do you think it reflects on them? Look, because they have given the BJP now an opportunity to say that you are opposing it because it talks about Saraswati, it talks about Durga, it talks about Lakshmi, and it hits at a more emotional chord somewhere politically.
See, there is no opposition to 6 stanzas. But these first 2 stanzas are there for 90 years. Everyone was singing them. These 2 stanzas, Atal Bihari Vajpayee used to sing all the time. So now, why there is an objection in singing these 2 stanzas only?
You don't think politically it's going to affect the Congress?
No, not at all. Because Ravindranath Tagore himself decided that these 2 stanzas should be sung.
Okay.
And then Mahatma Gandhi endorsed it, Subhash Chandra Bose endorsed it, everyone endorsed it, Dr. Rajendra Prasad endorsed it,
Okay, Sameer ji,
Maulana
Sameer ji
Abdul
wants to
Kalam
come.
Azad endorsed it.
मुझे लगता है कि भारत 90 ईयर से बहुत आगे आ चुका है.
It was done.
No,
It was a-
It was
It was
Muhammad
a-
Ali
No, no,
Jinnah who
Let-
first conveyed the discomfort of
Nehru wrote that.
Muslim League to Nehru ji, and that is when eventually the
Because
decision was taken. Yes, in consultation with everyone.
There was some reservation among a particular community, and then.
So, sir, what is the need to reaffirm it now? That was a different time. This is
Because-
also converse argument, right? कि अब we are a sovereign country. Now everyone is equal. Everyone obviously respects their motherland. What is the hesitation?
So, what was the need for unnecessarily passing an act in the
I'll tell you
parliament
I'll tell you.
that all 6 stanzas have to be
At the
sung?
same time that
Why?
Vande Mataram was being
और सर पंकज जी आप इतने वरिष्ठ पत्रकार हैं
Who decided that only these first 2 stanzas should be sung?
Coming to that.
The Congress decided.
No,
The Congress decided.
One second.
Now you all are-
We agree.
Let me
But
complete.
again, like I said, just give me 10 seconds. This was decided pre-independence under different circumstances after discomfort from the Muslim League. Now we are an independent country. There is no Muslim League.
No. There's something more
Who's
important.
objecting?
Shama
One second, let me
Prasad
complete.
Mukherjee, the
Let
founder
it-
of Bharatiya Janata
I don't want
was
to interrupt. This was
himself a minister in
Again, we are
Muslim League
going off the
government.
track. Let me just complete.
टीचर्स एसोसिएशन से मिली है कि हम आपके स्कूल बेहतर करना चाहते हैं. आप उनको लेटर लिखिए. आपका अप्रोच कैसा होना चाहिए?
Okay.
आप 10 लड़के लेकर चले जाते हो किसी
But
स्कूल में.
this is already
किसी
the
बच्चे को आप
primary
धमकाते हो.
responsibility of the government. They should have done it. Why one should go to meet education secretary or education minister?
नहीं तो आप बताओगे ना कि प्रपोजल आपके पास है, आप क्या करना चाहते हो?
You know the condition of government schools all over the country, not in Rajasthan, is pathetic. Everyone knows it. What kind of food?
But that's why then they are
children
asking, no,
getting.
Ashutosh Ranka, why aren't you going to Punjab?
And they
Punjab
should-
mein there are plenty of people.
They should go to Punjab.
But he hasn't
They should
gone.
go to
Na?
Jharkhand.
And Anish, he didn't go to Jharkhand.
I
Na?
have one simple question. They should go to Manipur first.
Okay,
Jharkhand
two
is
men
not
is
important.
only.
I don't believe this is
Manipur.
Only one second. Sir, Rahul also
Government
studied
schools.
about- Sir, Rahul has heard.
Okay. Okay, I'm completely out of time. Look, all of these questions, you are perfectly well within your rights to ask questions of what is happening, whether the system is up to, up to the mark. But is the method